Hi everyone, this is Salma Kausar and today I'm going to talk about the Godrej 400-liter double door freezer. This impressive piece of equipment is an ideal choice for those in need of a reliable and spacious solution for their commercial freezing needs. Crafted with convertible technology, this freezer is versatile enough to adapt to your varying storage requirements. It's designed to keep your items frozen and well preserved, ensuring quality and freshness. With a generous capacity of 400 liters, it's built to accommodate a substantial amount of product, making it perfect for restaurants, caterers, and large families. It adheres to the latest Bureau of Energy Efficiency guidelines set before January 1, 2023, which means it's crafted to deliver optimal performance while keeping energy consumption in check. This freezer uses only 843.15 kilowatt hours of energy annually, which can help you save on electricity bills in the long run. It is proudly manufactured in India, and this freezer stands as a testament to quality and durability. So whether you're looking to upgrade your commercial kitchen or need an efficient way to store bulk food items, the Godrej 400 liters double door freezer could be the perfect addition to your space. Check it out now.
If you're in the market for a new freezer, there are several factors to consider to ensure that you get the right model for your needs. Here's a comprehensive buying guide for freezers. Type. There are two main types of freezers: chest freezers and upright freezers. Chest freezers are typically larger and more energy efficient, while upright freezers are easier to access and organize. Consider which type will work best for your needs. Size. Freezers come in various sizes, ranging from compact models to larger models that can store a lot of food. Consider how much frozen food you need to store and the available space in your kitchen when selecting the right size for you. Capacity. Freezer capacity is measured in cubic feet or liters, and it's important to choose a freezer with enough capacity to store all of your frozen food. A family of 4 will typically need a freezer with a capacity of at least 5 to 7 cubic feet or 140 to 200 liters. Energy efficiency. Energy efficient freezers can save you money on your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Consider factors such as insulation quality and cooling technology, as advanced cooling technologies such as inverter compressors and dual temperature sensors can significantly increase energy efficiency. Features. Freezers come with a range of features that can impact performance and convenience. Look for features like adjustable shelves, temperature alarms, automatic defrost, and interior lighting. Adjustable shelves allow you to customize the interior of the freezer to accommodate larger items, while temperature alarms alert you if the temperature inside the freezer rises above a certain level. Cooling technology. Freezers can use either a static cooling system or a frost-free cooling system. A static cooling system circulates cold air in the freezer, while a frost-free system uses a fan to distribute cold air evenly and prevent frost buildup. Frost-free freezers are generally easier to maintain, but they can be less energy efficient. In conclusion, purchasing a freezer requires careful consideration of various factors such as type, size, capacity, energy efficiency, features, cooling technology, and more. By taking these factors into account, you can choose a freezer that suits your needs best. Happy shopping!